How to fix TikTok effect problem. Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok effect problem in less than 1 minute. So first thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. After you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds. After you wait a few seconds, now all what you want to do is scroll down until you find TikTok app. Click on it and click on this force stop option to stop the app from running. After that, click on the storage right here and then click on clear data, clear cache to clear all the cache. Last thing you want to do is very simple. Click on the notifications management, disable and enable back again. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.